Want to build real wealth? Start with habits, not hype. Today, I'll share 5 simple habits that make people rich. You can start them today. Habit 1, pay yourself first. When money comes in, move 10 to 20% to savings or investments before you spend anything. If it's not automatic, it won't be consistent. Habit 2, invest on a schedule. Pick a low-cost index fund or ETF. Add money weekly or monthly, no matter what the market does. Small, steady deposits beat big, random bets. Habit 3, avoid bad debt. Credit card balances and buy now, pay later can drain your future. Use debt only for assets that hold or grow value. If you have high interest debt, attack it first. Habit 4, track your cash flow. Know what you earn, spend, and keep every month. Use a simple rule like 50-30-20, 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% saving and investing. Clarity creates control. Habit 5, grow your income. Learn skills that raise your earning power. Ask for a raise, start a side hustle, or sell a service. Saving is limited. Earning can scale. Quick recap. Pay yourself first. Invest on a schedule. Avoid bad debt. Track cash flow. Grow income. Start with one habit this week, then stack the next. Your future self will thank you. If this helped, subscribe for daily finance and investing tips. And watch my video on how beginners can start investing in 2025. Let's build wealth, one smart habit at a time.